Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com. Okay, let me show you my trades, live trades, last week, taken between February 4th till February 8th, Friday. Okay, so let's get started. This is Aussie Yen 20-minute chart trade setup. All of these trades are taken from 20-minute chart. These are the special candles built by with the help of custom build indicator. Okay, and very precise candles and very precise entry you can see here. So this was a short here, 120 pip all the way from there to wave 3 target, and this met. Actually I closed this trade on 130 pip. The next trade is all most of these entries were on the February 5th, and the trades were closed on 6th and 7th, and a couple of them, maybe one on Friday. So this one, Aussie USD also short because of the Aussie weakness, and this was the entry here on the 5th, and all the way down. This one also hit the target for wave 3, and this is the you can see this yellow area, my entry sell, and SL is at break even. Excuse me. Okay, and this is for 110 pip, right? And next trade you can see Euro Aussie, because Aussie was on the right hand side, on this pair is on the right hand side, right? And the Aussie was getting weaker, so Aussie Yen and Aussie USD went down, and Euro Aussie went up because of the Aussie weakness. Okay, and I teach all of that, how to see and watch the indexes, individual currency indexes. I do the analysis on that, and based on that I catch these big trades. So it was bouncing from here, and for 170 pip you can see here my entry, and the SL is sitting, break even +5, right? That's always I do that. And this entry usually it requires only 25 pip SL. The entry with this setup, for example, this one, or this one, right? So red candle coming down, but I'm waiting for a long setup, long entry. So I would be waiting for the red candle turn into blue candle by first posting a reversal candle and then a blue candle, right? In the meantime, this indicator goes all the way down and then coming up. So that is a setup, a long setup, and the opposite is the short setup. So you can see here, and then the SL is always put behind it. So you can see, if you could have taken this one, or this one, and never, the SL never got hit. Price just went up, right? That's what happened. Even if you go short here or short here or short here against the trend, you will still win the trade. Okay, because the indicator was up here, up here, up here. Beautiful, maybe 60, 70 pip to the downside. So anyway, this was on their 20th, and then you can see USD CAD. CAD weakness was in the air, and I was waiting for a short setup, bounce from here. I didn't take this entry here. I waited for the setup, and then it's higher high is the setup. Sorry, higher low, and the indicator is all the way down. Red candle turns blue, and I made my entry, put the SL here, and then start to go up, and then I start following with my SL behind it. Okay, this is how it goes. This is how the system is. New Zealand Yen, because of the yen strength and New Zealand weakness, it's this is the the top area. There was a resistance here, and because of that I took this short, and this is my SL, this is my entry here, and it went down for 130 pip on the 6th. And this is CAD Yen, same thing. Yen was taking a turn to the downside, and all yen pair went down. So I took the advantage of CAD Yen, Aussie Yen, and New Zealand. It went down from the top all the way down here. This one was 400 pips. So 6 trade, all more than 100 pip. So that's 600-700 pips altogether. Maybe I hit like 4 to 5 SL during the whole week. So if for example, it's like, if it is 700 pip, you can see on these trades, minus the 5 SL hit, 125 pip. So it's still, it's like way over 500 pip in the bank. Okay, this is how the system is. It's very powerful, very easy. And this is not only this week. If you go and take a look at my website, for example, this is my website here, and see on the monthly subscription page, this is the page, and you can go and see this is the current week, and after that, below that, you can see the week before, and then all of these trades, same style, same what happened here, everything is the same, same style. What's happening? Okay, so you see this is 7 December, and same trade, same setup. Okay, and all over the place you can find entries using this system. Very, very precise. Look at this. And last week was very, very good. Let me show you. See these big move, and this is what's going to happen this week. You see this Euro Aussie, beautiful trade. Pound Aussie, this was a beautiful trade. This was an entry. This is my trade here, right there, right? This is the live trade buy entry here, and it went up straight up 100 pip. This is 100, more than 100 pip. I don't even count. I just see that it's more than, this 100 plus 125 pip pound USD. This was a trade. This was a trade. This is the current trade going, and I recorded the chart. So it's, here, see, pound USD. This is probably the same. Yeah, same. And then this was a short on pound CAD, pound yen short for 90 pip. Short setup, gone. This is the long setup, gone. And not only this one, you have this one, and you have short entry here, nice trade, short entry here, nice trade, long entry here, long entry here, long entry here. Entries are, you can see entries everywhere. See this long here, long here, long here, long here, right? Long here. This system is really, really good. So if you want to learn, just go and click on the link, my website link. Go on my website, come here, and this is the website, right? And then you can watch this in detail. That what do you get when you subscribe? What is the Magic Ivy system? How this system is working, and what I already mentioned several things in writing on the ad, but the video you can see the things that you're gonna get is all the indicators, the EA, my templates, and my charts, everything. Okay, you're gonna get, and the indicator to draw these special candles, you're gonna get that, and you'll be on your way to do the same and repeat the same as these trades. Okay. So this is it for now, and hopefully I will see you in my webinar. By the way, I do a webinar twice a week, where I not only give the setups but also explain and teach Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, this and that. And also we have this let me see, I just closed it, so I'm just gonna show it quickly, the Telegram channel, where I post all the time the setups. So like just now, a little while ago, I posted on the 11th Feb. This is the long setup that I'm expecting if Euro index hold where it is now. I explained it all on the webinar today to my subscribers, and if that happen, and then if this start to go up, we will make an entry. If it drops, then bye bye. So very, very planned and very accurate entry system with my long-term analysis, weekly chart, monthly chart. So you're gonna get to learn every single thing. Okay, so this is it for now. Like I said, if you like it, go my website, subscribe, be a part of my group, and start trading the way we are doing. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful week, and trading week starting today. Okay, so I'm gonna close the webinar now, the recording, and go and start my trading.